To remove objects from photos on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to open the camera app and then take a photo of something. So in this case, I already have the photo right here, as you can see, of the miniature, and then we can try to remove this other miniature on the right. To do that, we'll need to click on this button right here and enter intelligent features, click on continue, and then wait a few moments. After that, we'll be able to select object eraser, and in object eraser, we'll be able to simply select the object that we plan on removing and select erase. After a moment, it should fully remove that object and replace it with the original background. In most of the cases, it will work fine, depending on the complexity of the image background. So as you can see right now, it is removed. It didn't do too well, but I guess it's fine. So let's save it, and that way we just remove the object from the photo. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.